So sometimes we may have, a list of test cases developed in our Excel file or CSV file. We want to move them back to Jira or to a test management tool. So TestRay provide import option here. You can click on that and then choose the import file and then open it. So now let me just open this file to have a quick look how it looks like. So you see in my CSV file, I have total of 3 test cases. I have summary and priority and labels or whatever other custom views you have, we support it here. So the most important part is here, test suite means once you create these test cases, you can put these test cases into a subsuite, a subfolder there, so that makes sure that your test cases imported and structured well. So this test step ID, step and data, this is quite easy to understand. It is just part of test case content. Now let me go back to my importer again. So let's just use an existing configuration file to make sure that the necessary views are loaded and mapped. You see here, you can map the views to your Jira system to make sure that, okay, only necessary views will be created inside your TestRay or in your Jira. Now let me begin my import. It's quite easy and convenient. It has been done. Now let me switch to test suite again. You see, Gmail app test cases. Previously, I have created 2 test cases there. And now you see there are 5, means there are a total of 3 test cases imported from the CSV file. If I open this test suite again, you see a subfolder, or you can call it a subsuite being created together with my test cases. Now, if you open any of my test cases I just imported, you see the steps are there as well. This is how you, import multiple test cases from the CSV file.